Hey, Wallet Hubbers, Matt Charles here, and today we're going to be talking about the 7 things you should do after a car accident. The most important things to do after a car accident are to stay calm, call 911 if anyone is seriously injured, and keep everyone away from oncoming traffic. If anyone is injured, do not move them while you wait for help to arrive. Once everyone is safe, you need to call the police to file a report. State law requires that you call the police if anyone is injured or if the property damage exceeds a certain amount. You may also need a police report when you file your insurance claim. Next, you should make sure that you get the other driver's name and insurance information. For security reasons, it's recommended that you only provide the information that's available on your insurance card. And if there are willing witnesses, you should get their contact information as well. You want to have a neutral third-party account of the incident if at all possible. And no matter what, you should not immediately apologize or admit fault to the other driver. You also shouldn't accept any immediate offers of compensation since you can't accurately assess the extent of damage or injuries right away. Make sure you remember to document the accident as well. Take photos of the vehicles, the accident scene, and any injuries. You should also write down the details as you remember them while they're still fresh in your mind. Finally, you should contact your insurance company as soon as possible to report the accident. Even if you don't think you'll file a claim, you need to inform your insurer about the wreck in case you change your mind or the other driver decides to file a claim. Sometimes it's easy not to think much of minor car accidents, but following these steps is the best way to protect yourself and your finances after a wreck. For Wallet Hub's full guide of what to do after a car accident, just click the button here.